Hey guys, I'm Sarah. This is the third video in my ab rehab series. Videos number 1 and 2 are for when you are pretty early postpartum, or maybe you just never did any rehab exercises for your abs. And finally, this is stage 3. Your abs are starting to come back together. Maybe you only have one finger width distance apart in between your abs for your diastasis. And so you are going to learn 2 more new moves to add to your wheelhouse. These are great moves to do at home on a regular basis. You can do them every day, or you can use these exercises as alternatives to the exercises you're being given in some of your favorite fitness classes. So here you go, enjoy. All right, so here we are with our stage 3 moves. If you haven't watched stage 1 or stage 2, I'll give you a brief rundown, but you can continue doing your stage 2 moves, and now you have these ones to add on. So let's set up for our prep work. For those who haven't seen stage 1 and stage 2, here we go. Arch, flatten, arch, flatten, and now find neutral, a little bit of space right underneath the back. Deep inhale, fill up the belly, exhale, belly button down and up, suck it up, and elongate the ab wall. Here we go, that is our first position. Now we are going to press up into a bridge. Engage your inner thighs right here. We are going to extend the right leg out and bring it back and down. Inhale. Engage, get ready, press up, extend that leg, and then come back and down. Hands should be out right here. I did not show you in the beginning. Let's do it again. Inhale. And exhale, really get the ab engagement. Press through the heels, engage those inner thighs. Abs are engaged, you're wrapping them in, but make sure you're getting that space right there, and foot goes out, and then drag it back in and down. Press up, and it might only be about a fist up, because we're thinking about our core, not necessarily our glutes. Foot goes out and in and down. Good. So we're going to do 20 of those, 10 on each leg. So next we're going to come into our bird dog. A lot of you guys know bird dog because you probably did it when you were pregnant. Let's go over proper engagement. So feel like you are wrapping your shoulders around and down. Okay, so you're plugging them into your shoulder blades, really there. Wrap your biceps kind of like around your arm, if that makes sense. And then your hands are placed down. So take a deep inhale, exhale. Create that space in the front of your abs. And now we are going to alternate our right arm and our left leg. We're gonna point our toe. Actually, we're gonna flex that foot. And then place it right back down. Let your belly go loose, and now engage it. Suck the belly button up and in, and extend that leg. Foot is flexed. Really extend through the inner thigh, and then come back down. So again, think about your shoulder blades drawing down from your ears, rounding. Your biceps are almost rounding in towards your chest, and you're getting some space between your ears and your shoulders. Let's do a nice prep breath work. Exhale. Extend the right arm, left leg, flex the foot. Really engage through both those inner thighs. Engage, 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 and then come back down. So this move is really easy to do without doing right. You want to really make sure that you're not rocking, your hips are not going side to side, they're staying even, and that you're really engaging through those inner thighs when you're doing it. And it's going to make it a lot harder than how you used to do it. So that is the end of stage 3. The next progression is going to be into a plank. I'm going to recommend that when you do a plank, you are going to have your hands shoulder width distance apart, and your feet are going to go out a little bit wider than hip width distance apart so that you create a larger base. Now, it's really important to do all the moves and all the stages that I've shown you before you get to this plank, because if you don't, you're just going to put unnecessary stress on your abs and just increase that gap if you haven't learned how to properly engage your ab muscles. I hope that makes sense. I made this mistake, and that's why I got a diastasis about 6 months after my second son was born. So these videos are meant to be done in a progression. Start with stage 1, stay there for at least 2 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, then add in stage 2, and then you're gonna add in stage 3. If you like classes as much as I do, when they tell you to do crunches or bicycle crunches or some, plank work for an extended period of time, these are the moves that you're gonna do as alternatives, as modifications, so that you can still go and you can still do your squats, your lunges, your bicep curls, your shoulder presses. You can do all those moves, but when they have you do these funky ab moves, you're gonna wanna do the heel taps, the heel slides, the bird dog, the bridge. These are going to be your safe solutions to get an effective workout that's also going to help you heal your diastasis. If you have any questions, leave them down below. But I do highly recommend going to see a physical therapist. And I didn't mention it earlier in this video, but if you're curious about the Kegel exercises that I recommend, go and check out the video in stage 1. We're gonna do quick flicks, and then we're gonna do holds for 10 seconds. And you're gonna continue doing this for a long time because they do take a while to actually kick in and start working. But I promise you, after about 6 weeks, you will notice a huge difference if you do these Kegels religiously, and you won't necessarily pee your pants every time you sneeze. I am Sarah. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at SarahFit, and I'll see you guys soon.